Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your Bitmoji in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app, and here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu, then we tap on settings, and in settings, under my account, we have Bitmoji, and here we can tap on edit my Bitmoji, and yeah, we can edit it here. Or we can change our outfit the same way, just here. Or we can choose a selfie that the app is going to use to create an avatar for us. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. But this is very simple. You can just tap on Bitmoji, edit my Bitmoji, or change my outfit. So yeah, bye.